Welcome to Australia Immigration Channel. In today's video we will talk about Australia has avoided 30,000 COVID deaths due to strict measures, says Australian PM. If you are interested in this topic, please stick around till the end of this video, and for latest immigration related news and updates, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications about the new videos. Let's get into the video. Pledging that he will not risk Australian lives, Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Tuesday said the strict measures adopted by his government have avoided 30,000 deaths in the country. Pledging that he will not risk Australian lives, Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Tuesday said the strict measures adopted by his government have avoided 30,000 deaths in the country due to the raging COVID-19 pandemic in developing countries. Addressing a press conference in Queensland, Morrison termed the emergence of new virus strains was a great risk. He said all the vaccines being administered across the world may not be equipped to deal with the new virus variants. However, he assured that his government was taking decisions based on the best medical advice available currently. The pandemic is raging. The pandemic is morphing. It's changing every day. When you see the pandemic this year raging through developing countries, then the great risk, as we're already seeing, is new strains, new variants coming through, he said. I'm not going to take risks with Australian lives. I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to ensure that we maintain a regime that has so far avoided the loss of 30,000 lives in this country and has seen more Australians come back into work than were there before the pandemic, the Prime Minister said. He compared the Australian situation to the global scenario, which was largely reeling from the pandemic, more devastating than last year. Australia has so far recorded 29,988 cases of coronavirus, along with 910 related deaths, according to Johns Hopkins University. Morrison said, "I understand that we want to be able to prepare to get us in a place where, when it's safe to do so, we can make changes. But right now, it's not safe to do so. We are working on plans, as I've said many times, working on plans to enable vaccinated Australians firstly to be able to travel around Australia and to be able to move around when states, potentially to travel overseas and have different quarantine arrangements on their return with the sign-off from state chief health officers," he said. Australia's borders were slammed shut in March last year as the coronavirus spread across the world. Only citizens and permanent residents have been allowed to enter the country under some strict COVID-19 border rules. On April 27, Australia suspended all direct passenger flights from India until May 15 due to the very significant spike in COVID-19 cases there. The Morrison-led government had imposed a temporary ban on travel from India due to the second wave of COVID-19 cases in the country. The government threatened to prosecute the returnees from India with a possibility of 5 years of jail term or a penalty of 66,000 Australian dollars, $50,899 US. The move triggered a backlash in this country, with several lawmakers, doctors, civil societies and businessmen criticizing the government for abandoning Australians in India. Repatriation flights from India have started since then. Hope the information provided in this video was useful to you, and we will be releasing a video when we have more additional information on this topic, so please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. See you soon in another video.